So, I came across, and I think I've used this before. Instead of using Windows or Chrome or Android and all that, but still Linux, ZORIN, I think it's called. Let me see if it's ready. Let me close all this. Oh. Okay, so I used the roughest, that's what I call it. Maybe not pronounced correctly. Hey, thank out to the guy out there who's trying to help me with aluminum. Aluminum. Yeah. He, hey, thanks for, what you did is what I would use to train a computer to speak. Okay, so you broke it down. They call that phonemes, or phonemes, something like that. And that's what you, before you have what you have today, because what you have today, you have AIs that can talk back to you. AIs is, we need to talk about an update about AIs. Can't do that now. I don't want to get everything mixed up. But anyway, so we have ZORIN, ZORIN OS. Are you familiar with it? If not, I can bring it up on the screen, or maybe I can bring it up on the iPad. maybe I should bring it up on the Chrome. You're familiar with it. So it's free. There's a pro version, but all that does have a lot of software in it. So this thing is ready. So what I wanted to do was to boot into it and see what it looks like. See if I can use it in any way. Would it make sense playing around with it? I actually, ChatGPT, you should be able to use it as a NAS, the interface, and connect to the other PCs in the house. But he says you don't need it. You still can do that with Windows. Oh, yeah? Yeah. Well, just do everything from PowerShell. So I'll have to activate that because I like the other computers in the house to see the NAS computer. But I think it'd be better if it doesn't run Windows because Windows has a lot of hiccups. So this thing here, sometimes the Wi-Fi don't work. It still don't work. There was another new driver, so I got a new driver for that. But anyway, that's the thing with that is, what about the driver? See, I can talk about things like that. Okay, I'm gonna reboot this PC and see if I can get into the ZORIN. All right, let me feel myself. Sort of can. Okay, we're gonna shut down the PC. I'm gonna reboot. I think it's F9. Let's see, restart. I think it's F9 to get into. Oh, is it F8? No, F8 is something else. F8 is the repair. Okay, cool. Here we go. So we have the boot selector. Oh, that's right. Squeeze over here. Okay. You can see, right? Okay. I wish there was some. All right. Okay. Can you see it? That's the boot selector. All right. So. Okay. So we're gonna boot from to this thing. Yes, and see if it'll work. And we don't boot into Windows. Okay, great. So it says try or install ZORIN OS. Try or install ZORIN OS safe graphics. Try to install ZORIN OS. Oh wow, what did it do? I didn't get a choice. Checking Casper Swati. Press Control to cancel all file system checks in process. Source 18. Interesting. What I would do is I get another hard drive and stick into this thing here and boot it up that way. So a lot of people are switching to this instead for some reason. So while that's loading, let's see. Should be able to bring it up on the Chrome. What box is this? Oh. I have all these. You've seen these before, right? These are tech boxes. You carry it on the job when you do IT work out in the field. Before the pandemic, they were really cheap. But anyway, so I got that. So I want to try this out. Oh, let me oh, there it is. But this thing's been around a long time. Here, let me maximize the screen, rotate it, turn it into a laptop. I think it's running the dip. Okay, so this is the way it looks. What's this thing? Download error. Recovery failed. Bluetooth. Well, there it is. It booted up already. Okay. Well, they have they have the Pro version and they got the core version. See, the problem, the only one thing we have with this is it might work better on the Chrome box and the Android box than work on the Linux box than it will run on a PC unless, okay, ooh. Let's see what's in here. I got choices up here. You can try ZORIN OS without making any changes to your computer directly from the CD. It's not a CD. Or if you're ready, you can install ZORIN alongside or instead of your current operating system. This shouldn't take long. Oh, you're right. Well, install the OS? No. Try the OS. Let's try it. Oh, boot up already. That was pretty quick. Look at that. Oh, you know what? To bring you closer, I could. I have to move this out. I put you on the scaffold. I can move you, see? It's like you're here with me. Okay, maybe I should make you a little taller. That should be alright, right? Yeah, you can see that. Let me get this thing out of the way. I don't know why I have it there in the first. Okay. Well, let's see. Let's get that out of the way too. Can you see it? You can go closer. Come closer. There you go. You can be right on top of it. Okay, so this is the interface. We can check. And okay, so home, desktop, documents, music, accessories, graphics, internet, system tools. Well, the date's wrong. Oh, they have it set. They have it set up just like Chrome. Oh, what do we got here? We got Bluetooth. Power is balance. Wi-Fi. Pause for a second. Well, it can't connect to the Wi-Fi. Let's see. Double check here. Hold on. Okay, I got the Wi-Fi to work. I don't know how. That's how this background look like. This is, what do you mean? Analog output. Digital.
Front, right, front, left, front, right, front, left. Front, left, front, right, left.
Works. Well, I have digital. I have Toshiba Link. It's fiber plugged in. That's how this computer came with all that fun stuff. Over on amplification. Ooh, really? How about now?
Front, left, front, left, right.
Oh. Well, it has Brave browser. Let's see what happens if I launch that. It's that sandbox. That's different. Huh. Oh my goodness. Block 2 trackers on YouTube. Really? Holy cow. Interesting. Looks different here, you know? Can you get dark screen on this? Leo AI. Oh, there's a Leo AI? Huh. Hmm. I don't use this browser. I used to use it. I didn't care for it. I felt like it was too intrusive. But I know a lot of you might be using it. I never really talk about different browsers and stuff like that. Maybe I should. It's so used to. Eh. Yeah, but I don't want to play around with that. Ah. Let's see. Fast. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Can you see that, or is it too? You might not be able to see it. Can you see that? Because I can't see it. Sweat. You know what it could be is too much light. Can you see it now? Oh, you can see it now. So you miss out all the fun. Okay. Okay, so we got 1 gig down. Not bad on a operating system that's running. That's not bad. That's not bad. Well, that's the way it's supposed to be getting. Sometimes I can get more. This is Brave. They don't use. I guess it could install Google browser, but you know, like that. Well, looks like Chrome is going bye-bye. Yeah. And they're getting Google's coming. I can't go any higher. Coming out with or I'm working on thinking, and well, I knew they were going to, because it could go. This computer could go to this. I don't know, on this operating system. I wonder if it could work 4K. It might buffer, choke. And do it eventually. Wow, it actually played 4K. Together. Where Windows it can't do that. I don't know. Maybe it's the Brave. I'd have to experiment. Wow. This time they're gonna try to go up against. Well, the GPU has 10 cores. It should be able to do it. Oh, right. No, is it 10? Oh no, 6 cores. But I want to talk. See, I'm really pushing the computer that way. And it's gonna 4K. I can't get that on their aluminum. But they call it an aluminum OS. Yeah, Dave. Hey, Dave. You said aluminum. Gemini about it. Yeah. Well, that's good, because that's how you teach computers how to talk. That's how I used to. Holy cow. You still can't see the text. Everything's kind of washed away. I have to turn off all the lights. Maybe that's it. All right, cool. We don't need it. Yes, close all. Let's close it. Let's close it. Let's close it. This is not bad. I can't. I'm just trying to figure out what could I use this on. Can you install it on a Chromebook? Then I could play around with it more. I'm sure it would work better, right? You got Wi-Fi, you got network, you got Bluetooth. You got online accounts, privacy system. I don't know what that is. What's that? That's power. Chrome, files, software. This is software. Wow, this worked out of the box. That's amazing. Nothing's happening. Okay. Yeah. Linux, they have some weird names when it comes to stuff. Interesting. Let's see. Right click, change background. Okay. You can see this, right? Yeah. settings, power saver, screen, automatic suspend. Online colors, printers. I can see this could work for a lot of you. You know? Here, let me bring it closer. Let's see. Let's see. If we do it this way, I won't be able to see it. You can see it. There you can see it like that. Hold on. Let me bring this closer. Like a load. That's what I say. But you know what it is? It's the reflection of the lights. That's the problem with this. I mean, I can close this up. That might help a little bit. Otherwise, I don't want to get too dark. I'm not using the other cameras with the NDF filter. See, that would fix this problem here. Even though this might have it, but it's tricky. Okay. This is what I said. What are you doing in Windows? What are you doing in Chrome? What are you doing in Linux? What are you doing on the Mac? What are you doing? You know, what are you doing? You're in the browser, right? That's why I said the Chrome. But you want to open up. What is this? What would this be? I see no difference. Oh, I see the desktop. Okay. And this is the software. Music? Like what? Office. Oh, they have Office? Oh, you got LibreOffice in here? LibreOffice Writer, Impression, Calculator. Huh. Contacts. Hey, you saw the download speeds work good and fast. It just downloaded fast. So that's another bottleneck. I couldn't get the Wi-Fi to work at first. But it did work. Let me see. No, I don't want no... No, I don't want... No, cancel. I don't want to put no password. Cancel. What do we need password for? Cancel. I didn't even log in with the password. Let me see something fast. Let's try fast again. Fast. Maximize. Wow, 1.1, 1.2 gig. I could get 1.3. But you do it a couple of times. Well, this is fiber. T-Mobile. Not gonna get it. Not like last year when I got it. Different. See? That's not bad. 1.1 gig. That's not bad. See, with Linux and Chrome, they don't have the bottlenecks and all this crap that Windows have. Windows OS. All of it has it. That's what I could teach you. Tell you. All of them. Because Windows is built on DOS. And DOS, they got the DOS from IBM. So they just build and build and build and build, and that's what you got now. And they don't take in consideration the bugs along the way. You know? Because in Windows 3.11, it crashed all the time. What the heck is that on my face? It crashed. I made a program to, when it crashed, you don't have to reboot the computer. You keep working. I figured that out, and I wrote the code. And I sold it. Sold it for $20. You get a whole utility. Yeah. But could it work today? Yeah, it could work today. But I think Microsoft might have figured it out. I talked to somebody at Microsoft and they said, yeah, we figured that out already. What they did is trying to steal the idea. That's what they're capable of. Why pay me royalty for an idea they should have incorporated inside the system? These are a lifesaver. You go to Walmart and get these. These are, oh wow. Oh, I got a magnet. I found it. These are good. These are live. These are for laptops, but they're expensive now. They use them in really cheap, $15. I have a whole bunch of them, but the GF, she said we had to get rid of some. We had too many. Yeah, why buy a whole desk when you just buy a whole bunch of those? But anyway, yeah. So you can see it's fast. This is the operating system. All I did is I download the core. The core is wait a second. This always happens. Oh wow! Look at this. You get the. I didn't see this before. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Well, where is it then? Okay, cool. Let's maximize the screen. Oh, come on. There you go. You can dual boot. You can install ZORIN OS alongside Windows, or keep Mac OS files, and you should be able to choose between each of a boot up. Well, it tells you how to do it if you want to do it that way. Well, that's not bad. Or just put another drive in there, install it, and stick it in there, and then I know you're gonna say, and then Windows gonna ask you which one you want to boot up. But that's another way of doing it, and then you wouldn't have to go through all the hassle. So they have a pro version. You have to pay for it. It's not free. It's $47.99. I don't recommend anything to anything because I have to see how it works. But it does give you more desktops to play with if you want that, and different backgrounds, and it gives you all the applications that you can get for free and put in there. And that's about it. If you want to, you support them that way, or you just download the core, which is free, and they have education. It's supposed to tell you what the difference between the two of them. So you can use that in any way you want. So you might want to think about that. I personally might find uses for that. I want you can boot it on Chrome. Because this one doesn't expire yet, but the other one I have does. I wouldn't mind slapping it on there and playing around with it. See what it does. No, epic anyway. There's utility, sound, internet, graphics. Okay, so this is Zorin. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Turn off those things. Off. System is a nightmare. Okay. That's better. There's some extra lighting in here. That's no problem when you're videotaping the screen. A lot of you would say, well, gee, can't you just do a screen thing? Well, it's not as easy. I do have software that's supposed to do it, but it's not going to work. Oh, that's it. So what do you think? Is it keeper? We'll have to see. That's the wrong time. What time is it? Oh, the date's right. And it's at the wrong time. Okay. Hey, if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up button. Okay. It helps the channel. Hit that subscribe too. It helps the channel. We're trying to get to 1,000, so we can get on a decent program and start making that more cool stuff. We'll be talking about stuff as well. As time comes along. Takes money. Need your help. We gotta get to 1,000. Keep going. Okay. 1,000 subs. That's what I said. Okay. All right. Hey, take care. Merry Christmas, everyone. I should be able to do another video soon. I'll try. Okay. Zoom. Yeah. It's after midnight. Hey, it's happy Sunday. Okay. Take care.